Meister Task Manager Review. Watch before using. Most people get this wrong. They assume all task management apps are the same. But Meister Task combines simplicity with powerful collaboration features that make team productivity seamless. Meister Task offers customizable project boards, task assignments, timelines, and integrations with tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Zapier. One standout feature is its visual workflow system, which allows teams to track progress at a glance and easily move tasks through stages. Most people assume task management apps are overly complex. The surprising truth is Meister Task is user-friendly, intuitive, and designed to reduce friction. Notifications, automated recurring tasks, and comment threads keep teams aligned without clutter or confusion. Another advantage is scalability. Teams of any size, from small startups to large enterprises, can adapt workflows to match their needs. Reporting tools help managers track productivity, identify bottlenecks, and optimize project timelines. However, there are considerations. Some advanced features, like time tracking and deeper integrations, require a paid plan, and large teams may need onboarding to fully leverage automation features. In conclusion, Meister Task is ideal for teams seeking a visually intuitive, collaborative, and customizable task management solution. Its balance of simplicity and functionality makes it a strong choice for improving team efficiency. Subscribe for more honest productivity tool reviews before choosing your next task management software.